lára àwọn tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ yìí tó jẹ́ èèyàn kan nínú àwọn tó ń jìjàǹgbara ẹ declare arákùnrin yẹn ẹ declare wanted. màá fún yín ní fídíò yẹn kẹ́ bá lè mọ̀ pé wọ́n ti send fídíò yẹn sí wa. ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi mítì tí àwọn aráabí ṣe wọ́n ṣe é látàrí wípé wọ́n ti rí i wípé àwọn ọmọ kóòtù òjìrè àti jí wọ́n dẹ̀ rí nírí pé gbogbo òjé wọn ní pàtàkì eléyìí tí wọ́n máa ń lò tó ní ẹ gbójú yín kúrò nínú gbogbo kẹtí ẹ gbàgbé nípa ìyà ẹ gbàgbé nípa ẹjá gbàgbé nípa Tinubu ẹjẹ àti ẹ gbàgbé nípa gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ lọ dìfẹ́ǹdì ìlú yín. wọ́n ti rí pé àṣírí wọn ti tú lórí ìyẹn àwa yìí náà la tú àṣírí wọn torí ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wa dáadáa ni. àwa yìí náà la tú àṣírí wọn láti jẹ́ ká mọ̀ wípé ẹ̀yin ọmọ aládé táwọn ará bí bá fẹ́ wọlé sí yín lára wọ́n á sọ fún yín pé ibi tó ń dùn yín tẹ́tí ń pariwo tẹ́tí ké yẹn wọ́n á ní kẹ́ ẹ gbé tì sẹ́gbẹ́ kan gbogbo ìyà tó jẹ yín yẹn wọ́n á ní kẹ́ ẹ gbé tì sẹ́gbẹ́ kan ilẹ̀ yín yẹn náà wá gbé sí yín wájú pé ẹ dìfẹ́ǹdì ilẹ̀ bàbá yín ẹ má wo tó lóṣèlú. mo tún máa rìpíìtì ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ẹ má wo tó olóṣèlú máa wá ó máa lọ ní olóṣèlú máa wá ó máa lọ ní Tinubu fi ìyà ló fi ọmọ ẹ̀ ṣe ìyà alájẹ gbogbo Nàìjíríà tó tún mú ọmọ ẹ̀ ọkùnrin dání pé ó tún máa di gọ́vnà ṣó lóṣèlú ń wá ó lọ nìyẹn àbáwa mẹ̀kúnnù ni wọ́n fìyà ń jẹ. now wọ́n ti rí nírì wípé àṣírí wọn ti tú wọ́n ṣe ìpàdé yẹn kódà nínú ìpàdé yìí ẹni pé mo sọ̀rọ̀ kan lẹ́ẹ̀kan pé ṣé ká kíra wa kú oríire ni ṣùgbọ́n kì í tí ì ṣe nǹkan tá ẹ mọ̀ pé ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn olóṣèlú bíi nẹ́tíwọ́ọ̀kì lọ̀rọ̀ wọn ṣe rí ó ti yé yín so kì í ṣe nǹkan tá a gbọ́dọ̀ túbọ̀ máa rúgbó tá a túbọ̀ máa rúgbó lọ ni láti máa ṣiṣẹ́ wa lọ síwájú. arákùnrin tó pè mí ó jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ wípé wọ́n ṣe ìpàdé yẹn ní dédé aago 12 pé ìpàdé náà ó parí ní dédé bíi aago 3 òru pé wọ́n ṣe ìpàdé yẹn mọ́jú ni. pé ohun tí wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ náà níbẹ̀ tí wọ́n ń dìbẹ́tì lé lórí pé tó bá ti wá di pé Donald Trump dé o tí gbogbo ẹ̀ wá rí bó ṣe rí because wọ́n believe pé àwọn terrorists àwọn náà mọ̀ wípé tán bá tiẹ̀ máa pa wọ́n àwọn náà ṣe wọ́n á bá US mú nǹkan lẹ̀ dò náà fẹ́ para wọn náà ni. ṣùgbọ́n àwọn olóṣèlú yìí gẹ́gẹ́ bí arákùnrin ṣe sọ fún mi ó ní wọ́n ti rí nírì wípé kì í ṣe pé bandit nìkan náà fẹ́ pa gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n wà nídìí ìgbésùmọ̀mí láwọn gọ́vnà láwọn sẹ́nítọ̀ ní gbogbo wọn yẹn list wọn ti wà lọ́wọ́ lára wọn wà ní south west yìí o kì í ṣe ní north nìkan ni gbogbo wọn wà o lára wọn wà ní south west lára àwọn tó ń sponsor Boko Haram wọ́n ń bẹ lára gọ́vnà ní south west wà yìí àsìkò kù díẹ̀ a máa bust gbogbo ẹ̀. arákùnrin kan máa pè sórí orí ìkànnì tí ò bá dẹ̀ pè ó tiẹ̀ máa pè torí ó lóun ní nǹkan láti bá yín sọ ó lóun lọ́rọ̀ àṣírí láti gbé sí yín létí. now àwọn aráabí ti rí pé kì í ṣe pé bóyá Trump ń bọ̀ láti wá kojú agbésùmọ̀mí nìkan ó máa gbìyànjú gbogbo àwọn tó ń sponsor kínní yẹn náà máa pa pátápátá wọ́n máa clear wọ́n máa pa wọ́n. so wọ́n ní bó ṣe sọ pé bó ṣe fi bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn ṣe fẹ́ operate yẹn nìyẹn. so fún díẹ̀ yìí àwọn kan wá ń wò ó níwò pé bóyá àbí ká bá Tinubu sọ̀rọ̀ kó lọ fún referendum pé àbí ká pé because Tinubu ò sínú mítì tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí tó ń sọ pé wọ́n ṣe yìí ó ti yé. so wọ́n ní wọ́n wò pé ká bá Tinubu sọ̀rọ̀ bá ká lọ fún referendum pé torí pé bí gbogbo nǹkan ṣe ń lọ àwọn náà ti rí ìpàdé yẹn pé a máa lọ fún referendum tó bá di pé ó fẹ́ di bó ṣe yẹ kó di so that àwọn náà lè try láti fi referendum yẹn fi protect àwọn properties táwọn náà ti ní sínú Nàìjíríà pé torí pé tó bá lọ fún referendum oríkàlùkù máa gbà ní ìtùbí ìnùbí Haúsá àgbà tiẹ̀ Ìgbò àgbà tiẹ̀ Yorùbá náà àgbà tiẹ̀ so gbogbo àwọn kan tó ti kó jọnu Nàìjíríà wọ́n á lè mọ̀ bó ṣe máa ra yanjú ẹ̀ láàrin ara wọn tí ò ní sí pé bóyá wọ́n kàn dédé ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ gbogbo nǹkan loose. ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ṣẹ́rí tí mo sọ fún yín eléyìí ò ń ṣọ̀rọ̀ eré o ìwọ tó bá wò pé eléyìí ò ń ṣọ̀rọ̀ eré o ẹni tó sọ fún wa náà olóṣèlú ni, ó ti yé, olóṣèlú náà ni, ṣùgbọ́n kì í ṣe ẹni tá a lè gbójú ẹ̀ jáde torí pé àwọn náà ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún wa lábẹ́lẹ̀ ni. So wọ́n ní wọ́n fẹ́ lọ fún referendum, àwọn kan dẹ̀ tún sọ́ńbẹ̀ wípé wọ́n máa gbìyànjú irú kí lorúkọ ẹ̀ Oyèdépò, àwọn top pastor yẹn ẹ rí pé wọ́n silent, àwọn ni wọ́n silent wọn o. Inú meeting yẹn náà ni ló ti jẹyọ. Gbogbo àwọn pastor ńláńlá láti gbogbo èyí tí ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ti ń béèrè pé pastor Kúmúyì ò sọ̀rọ̀, pastor Adébóyè ò sọ̀rọ̀, wọn ò lè sọ̀rọ̀ o. Bí Dìmánà yìí sọ fún mi yẹn, ó ní wọn ó láwọn náà ló silent wọn, gbogbo wọn yẹn Tinubu ni wọ́n ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún for now. Tinubu ni wọ́n ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún. Tinubu ni wọ́n ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún. So ó ní gbogbo wọn yẹn náà ni wọ́n ti, gbogbo àwọn bàbá Adébóyè, gbogbo àwọn bàbá Kúmúyì yẹn náà wọ́n ní wọ́n ti propose kinní yẹn náà rí o, pé kí Tinubu pé tí bó bá ṣe bí gbogbo nǹkan ṣe ń lọ yìí báyìí kó ṣàṣì referendum. So wọ́n ti gbé proposal yẹn lẹ̀, wọ́n ti bá Tinubu sọ̀rọ̀ nígbà kan rí ni o, ṣùgbọ́n ṣe báyìí wọ́n tún wá ń wò ó níwò pé ẹja lọ gbé bá ìyẹn ní meeting alẹ́ àná tí wọ́n ní wọ́n ṣe. So ni mo ṣe fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ pé ṣé ká sọ pé Olúwa fẹ́ gbàdúrà wa ni àbí ká wò pé kíní, but àwọn kan wà ńbẹ̀ tí wọn kì í ṣe pé bá gbogbo wọn náà ló accept o pé kán lọ fún referendum gẹ́gẹ́ bá a ṣe gbọ́ bí ẹni yẹn ṣe sọ fún mi láàárọ̀ yìí, pé tí ò bá ṣe pé màá rí nsìn pé a fẹ́ máa rí bẹ́ẹ̀ nígbà tí Tinubu bá ti lè gbìyànjú gbogbo kan tó yẹ kó gbà tí ò sọ́nà àbáyọ, pé nǹkan máa lọ fún nìyẹn, pé sókè nǹkan tó ṣe pariwo ẹ̀ náà síta pé referendum yẹn tó bá máa fún wa kọ́ fún wa, ká lọ fún referendum, everybody kó ṣu ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́. So bá ṣe gbọ́ nìyẹn o, pé ó ṣeé ṣe kí referendum wáyé, ó dẹ̀ ṣeé ṣe kó jẹ́ pé wọ́n máa díjú tí gbogbo ẹ̀ náà máa kúkú fọ́ lójú papọ̀ ni. So àwọn religious leader wa wọ́n ní wọn ò lè sọ̀rọ̀ pé for now Tinubu ni ẹ̀yìn Tinubu ni wọ́n wà. So tẹ́ bá máa rí pastor Adébóyè báyìí ó kàn máa kúnlẹ̀ náà ní bàbá ẹja gbàdúrà fún Nàìjíríà ní nǹkan tí pastor Adébóyè máa ṣe ń sìn nìyẹn, àtOyèdépò wọn ò lè sọ̀rọ̀ ń sìn. So now gbogbo kí ló fa gbogbo nǹkan wọ̀nyí, wọ́n rí pé Donald Trump tó ń bọ̀ yìí kò sọ̀rọ̀ rí kó má mú lè ríṣẹ́. So wọ́n wo ọ̀nà táwọn náà lè rí báyọ pẹ̀lú gbogbo àwọn dúkìá wa tí wọ́n ti jí. So nǹkan tí bọ̀bọ́ yẹn sọ fún mi ni ó ní wọ́n wá ọ̀nà tí wọ́n fi lè wò pé báwo ni wọ́n ṣe lè lọ pẹ̀lú gbogbo àwọn nǹkan àlùmọ́nì wa tí wọ́n ti jí, báwo ni wọ́n ṣe lè escape pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. Arákùnrin ní òun ni wọ́n ṣe ń sọ fáwọn ọmọ aládé pé àwọn tó bá kọ̀rọ̀ gidá pé wọ́n á dá dúró lẹ́kọ̀ọ́, wọ́n á sọ pé Lagos country tó jẹ́ pé Lagos máa dá dúró bíi country. Ó ní gbogbo àwọn àlùmọ́nì wa tó ti jí náà ni o, láti lè make sure wípé kò bọ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn, because wọ́n mọ̀ pé tí kíní ẹ̀ bá bọ́ gìrì olówó wọn á dolòṣì, tálíkà wọ́n máa da tálíkà, kódà èkúté lé ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì gan máa lówó jù wọ́n lọ. So ìyẹn ni meeting tó náà ṣe lánàá, wọ́n sì ń ṣe ní ṣe pé ẹ sì jẹ́ ká máa try láti máa gbìyànjú bá àwọn èèyàn wa sọ̀rọ̀ bóyá wọn á jẹ́ gbọ́ láti ṣe protest. ẹ rí láìpẹ́ ìsìn ẹ rí ó ṣe kẹ́ rí àwọn pastor kan ṣe kọ́ dìde kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pariwo pé Donald Trump àti ń ṣètò ètò ààbò, àti ń ṣe léyìí fún wa nígbà díẹ̀, ṣùgbọ́n èmi mọ̀ pé tó bá tiẹ̀ fún wọn nígbà díẹ̀ kò sígbà tí má kú wọn ò ní padà kú. So kò sígbà tí so lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ tá a wà yìí arákùnrin yẹn jẹ́ kó yé mi pé wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ pé àwọn ọmọ nílùú àtúmọ̀ àfi gbàgbé gbogbo ìyà tí wọ́n gbé sí wa lójú, ṣe pé àṣírí yẹn ti tú sìn, gbogbo nǹkan ló ti cast, àṣírí wọn ti tú, ayé wọn ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní polúkúrúmuṣu. So òun ni mo ṣe ní ètò ní táìtò ètò yìí ṣe mú jáde wípé òjò ẹ̀sìn gbogbo wọn ti ṣú, torí bó ṣe ń plan yẹn àwọn kan náà plan dè wọ́n o, tó yẹ pé tó bá di tú atayanyan àwọn la máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí nílé kiri. Àwọn olóṣèlú ilẹ̀ Yorùbá yìí àwọn ni tágẹ́ẹ̀tì wọn náà. So òun ni mo ṣe sọ fún wọn pé wọ́n máa sáré kàbàkàbà, olóṣèlú ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ẹ máa sáré kàbàkàbà. Ọmọ yín tó ń bẹ l'Amẹ́ríkà, àmọ̀ pọ̀ ọmọ yín ń bẹ l'Amẹ́ríkà, ó lè kú sọ̀hún tó tásìkò yẹn bá tó, ó lè kú sọ̀hún kó má wálé mọ́, kókò kú sọ̀hún ni, because tó bá délé á ṣẹ̀wọ̀n. láì jẹ́ pé ẹ tètè ṣe nǹkan tó bá gbé referendum yẹn lẹ fẹ́ lọ fún sìn gẹ́gẹ́ bá arákùnrin yẹn sọ pé èèyàn kan nú yín ló bí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn jáde tí díẹ̀ nínú yín dẹ̀ fọwọ́ sí pé ẹ máa gbé lọ bá Tinubu pé kó fún kó tó bá ṣe ni kó fi referendum múlẹ̀ so that kẹ́ lè escape pẹ̀lú nǹkan wa tẹ́ ti jí so ó lè ṣeé ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ó ti yé tó bá dẹ̀ pé ìyẹn lẹ fẹ́ ṣe ẹ ṣe at least ẹ bá ti escape mọ́ nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ jí ṣebí àwọn nǹkan tó kù tẹ́ ẹ tí ì jí ṣebí a máa manage yẹn ṣùgbọ́n pé ẹ lọ gbàbọdè because wọ́n jẹ́ kó yé wa pé ìkan nínú yín náà nínú yín sì ń wo ní o pé kí Trump bá tiẹ̀ máa wá tó bá máa di wàhálà náà àkú di wàhálà ẹ̀ sá lọ èmi wo ni mo ṣe ń sọ fún yín kẹ bá máa sá lọ kẹ má wálé mọ́ torí pé àwọn kan náà ti ń gbìmọ̀ àwọn kan náà ti ń dúró ó ti yé tó bá ti ṣẹlẹ̀ gbans ẹ má gbà pé àwa náà máa káwó gbéra ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí ẹ̀yin mi mo fẹ́ fún yín ní fídíò kọ́kẹ́ rí kẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí US Army náà sọ pé tó bá ti ṣẹlẹ̀ pé nǹkan ta need láti ṣe nìyẹn so iṣẹ́ náà ti ń lọ àwa Oòduà nation àwa náà ò ní káwọ́ gbéra so àwa náà mọ̀ pé tó bá ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ náà nìyẹn now ẹ jẹ́ fún yín ní fídíò yìí fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa Donald Trump tún sọ̀rọ̀ láàárọ̀ yìí Donald Trump tún sọ̀rọ̀ láàárọ̀ yìí àbí lánàá dẹ̀ ni ó ti jẹ́ kó yé wa wípé òun bọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan èrè òun sì ń bẹ pẹ̀lú òun láti sọ fún gbogbo àwọn bandit gbogbo àwọn tó ní wá lára lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà láti sọ fún wọn gẹ́gẹ́ bí iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ wọn bàbá tuntun jáde ó sọ̀rọ̀ so ẹ̀yin olóṣèlú kò síbi tẹ́ ẹ lè gbé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí gbà ayé yín lẹ́yìn tẹ́ ẹ ń ba ayé èèyàn jẹ́ ayé yín ti bàjẹ́ already lẹ́lẹ́yìí tá a jọ ń wò wájú yìí ayé yín ti bàjẹ́ kì í ṣọ̀rọ̀ pé a fi ń ṣọ̀rọ̀ eré lẹ́yìn olóṣèlú tẹ́ ẹ ń ba tèèyàn jẹ́ àwọn kan lélẹ̀ tá à ń sọ pé wọ́n ń pè wá wọ́n fún wa ní kí n tá a mọ̀ wọ́n ṣùgbọ́n a lè júwe wọn torí àwa náà ríṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe a súnmọ́ wọn kì í ṣe pé a súnmọ́ra wa lọ títí náà bẹ́ẹ̀ kì í ṣe pé wọ́n fi àyè lẹ̀ ká súnmọ́ wọn lọ títí o ṣùgbọ́n gáàpù díẹ̀díẹ̀ tó ń fún wa tí wọ́n fi ń pè wá àrólé ó yá tó pariwo eléyìí síta nǹkan tó tún fẹ́ ṣe leléyìí ó yá tó pariwo ẹ̀ síta ìpàdé ilé tẹ́ṣà ṣe lánàá kì í ṣàṣe pé gbogbo èèyàn ló mọ̀ tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ tún ẹ̀ wò pé báwo ló ṣe lu síta kò lè sí kó má lu síta kò sí ìpàdé tẹ́ ẹ bá ṣe tí ò ní lu síta torí pé kì í ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ ṣe lẹ̀ ń ṣe ẹ̀ ń fìyà ń jẹ àwọn èèyàn ni so àṣírí yín máa tú ni àṣírí yín á máa tú ó ti yé now ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi sójà kan lára US Army ti sọ̀rọ̀ pé tí wàhálà yẹn bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ o àwọn nǹkan tá a nílò láti máa ṣe rèé ó ti sọ fún wa ó ti jẹ́ kó yé wa ẹ jẹ́ n wo fídíò yẹn tó bá wà nítòsí késáré gbé késáré ṣas fún ẹ̀yin ọmọ aládé so ẹ̀yin olóṣèlú Nàìjíríà tẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ olórí burúkú tẹ́ ẹ fìyà jẹ wá ayé yín ti bàjẹ́ o ayé yìí ó ti ṣá málámálá ìkan lára àwọn Amẹ́ríkà kìíní ó tiẹ̀ eléyìí tiẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ ti ẹja sáré gbọ́ nǹkan tí Dimana yìí sọ ẹja gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ because ṣe rí lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí Trump ti sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ẹ̀yin náà mọ̀ ìjọba Nàìjíríà wọ́n ti dìde oríṣiríṣi náà ti ń ṣe wọ́n ti ń gbìyànjú ṣé Trump máa gba bribe ni ṣé ká bribe ẹni how many trillion ló ń fẹ́ mo mọ̀ pé tí tó bá jẹ́ pé Trump sọ fún wa sí pé òun fẹ́ gba gbogbo epo Dangote yẹn pé òun ní kẹ́ ẹ gbé fóun ò ní wá mọ̀ pé àwọn olóṣèlú yẹn máa pẹnu pọ̀ pé ó yá máa bọ̀ wá gbé because wọ́n wò pé eléyìí tó tún sì wà tó tún sì fẹ́ jí ojú Dangote lọ àwọn guys yẹn ó lè ní wọn o gbogbo wọn látòrí kí lorúkọ ẹ̀ kánsẹ́lọ̀ látòrí kánsẹ́lọ̀ tó fi dókè ó lè ní gbogbo wọn. ẹgbọ́n nǹkan tí sójà yìí sọ.
To the Christian black families in Nigeria, help is on the way. Help is coming. To the Christian black families in Nigeria, help is on the way. Help is coming.
Help is coming.
Today, Donald J. Trump has said and left a very clear message to Islamic Jihad radical groups like Boko Haram that if the senseless taking of mommies and children and babies of the Christian belief, locking up churches, burning them alive, compromising women in front of their husbands before you take their lives, trafficking their children, that if it does not come to an end immediately, the United States of America is coming in. It will be swift. It will be quick. And every single one of you that has been forming these atrocities, you will be forfeiting your lives. And at the same time, we will look up to heaven and we will thank our Lord and our Savior for caring over and looking over the 60,000 peaceful Muslims that forfeited their lives to stand up to people, disgusting animals like Boko Haram, when they voiced their opinion and said this is wrong. We can just not take the lives of 125,000 Christians just because they believe in a different God. And the Islamic Jihad terrorists looked at the 60,000 peaceful Muslims, will say, well then, if you don't agree with what we're doing, I guess we're gonna have to take your lives as well. And that's what they did. They persecuted 60,000 peaceful Muslims for getting in the way of the name of humanity. Nicki Minaj just came out today praising the president for getting involved. To the Christian black.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi arákùnrin yẹn jẹ́ kó yé wa wípé Donald Trump ò ní wá ó ní kẹ́ ẹ gbàgbé ẹ o pé ó ń bọ̀ ó ti wà lójú ọ̀nà bàbá yìí náà fẹnu ara ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ o ẹ sọ pé kí ni Trump tún sọ ẹ já gbọ́ mo ń padà bọ̀ ètò ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni ẹ já gbọ́ nǹkan tí Donald Trump sọ lónìí ẹ já sáré gbọ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi.
Christianity is facing an existential threat in Nigeria. Thousands and thousands of Christianity is facing an existential threat in Nigeria. Thousands and thousands of Christians are being killed. Radical Islamists are responsible for this mass slaughter. I am hereby making Nigeria a country of particular concern. That's a legal definition. When the Christians or any such group is slaughtered, like is happening in Nigeria, 3,100 versus 4,476 worldwide. What horrible numbers. Something has to be done. I am asking Congressman Riley Moore, together with Chairman Tom Cole and the House Appropriations Committee, to immediately look into this matter and to report back to me. And I mean, like, immediately. The United States cannot stand by while such atrocities are happening in Nigeria and numerous other countries. It's not only Nigeria, it's all over. We stand ready, willing, and able to save our great Christian population around the world. This is not going to happen. The killing of Christians is not going to happen. If the Nigerian government continues to allow the killing of Christians, the USA will immediately stop all aid and assistance to Nigeria. We're going to do things to Nigeria that Nigeria is not going to be happy about and may very well go into that now disgraced country, guns a-blazing, to completely wipe out the Islamic terrorists who are committing these horrible, horrible atrocities. I'm hereby instructing our Department of War to prepare for possible action. If we attack, it will be fast, vicious, and sweet, just like the terrorist thugs attack our cherished Christians. These are cherished people. These are great people. Leave them alone. Warning. The Nigerian government better move fast before it's too late. If they don't, there's going to be hell to pay.
So our message to these foreign terrorist organizations is we will treat you like we have treated Al-Qaeda. We will find you, we will map your networks, we will hunt you down, and we will kill you. We know exactly who these people are. We know what networks they work with, what foreign terrorist organizations they're a part of. We know where they're going, where they originated from, what they're carrying. And they know we know. So the Department of War is not going to degrade or just simply arrest. We're going to defeat and destroy these terrorist organizations to defend the homeland on behalf of the American people, making the jobs of law enforcement safer in the process, making the communities of Americans safer in the process. We think it's a very core mission of the Department of War, and we're proud to be here, Mr. President.
Thank you very much, Pete. Christianity is facing an existential threat in Nigeria. Thousands and thousands of Christians are being killed. Radical Islamists are responsible.
Do you envisage U.S. boots on the ground?
Could be. I mean, a lot of things I envisage, a lot of things. They're killing record numbers of Christians in Nigeria. And they have other countries very bad also. You know that part of the world, very bad. They're killing the Christians and killing them in very large numbers. We're not going to allow that to happen.
On Nigeria.
Ẹgbọ́n nǹkan tó sọ, ó lóun ò lè ever allow yẹn kó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn mi, ẹ̀yin ọmọ òtù òjire, Donald Trump ti sọ̀rọ̀, ṣé mọ̀ pé àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ ló ṣe lórí X ẹ̀, ó fi ẹnu ara ẹ̀ sọ báyìí. Ó lóun máa ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ pé inú ìjọba Nàìjíríà ò ní dùn. Ó sọ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ o pé tí òun bá tún rí tí òun tún gbọ́ wípé wọ́n tó pa Kristẹni àbí wọ́n pa èèyàn bó ṣe pa èèyàn yẹn, pé òun máa make sure wípé òun tóun bá débẹ̀ pé force attack òun lásán ó máa ṣẹ̀rùbà Nàìjíríà o. Báyá kẹ́ ẹ tún bá mi gbọ́ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí, báyé mi ni mi ò gbóyìnbó, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ farabalẹ̀, ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí Trump sọ o, kó wà lọ́wọ́ gbogbo wa o, ká ní lọ́wọ́ o, eléyìí ò ń ṣe ṣeréṣeré o.
Christianity is facing an existential threat in Nigeria. Thousands and thousands of Christians are being killed. Radical Islamists are responsible for this mass slaughter. I am hereby making Nigeria a country of particular concern. That's a legal definition. When the Christians or any such group is slaughtered, like is happening in Nigeria, 3,100 versus 4,476 worldwide. What horrible numbers. Something has to be done. I am asking Congressman Riley Moore, together with Chairman Tom Cole and the House Appropriations Committee, Christianity is facing an existential threat in Nigeria. Thousands and thousands of Christians are being killed. Radical Islamists are responsible for this mass slaughter. I am hereby making Nigeria a country of particular concern. That's a legal definition. When the Christians or any such group is slaughtered, like is happening in Nigeria, 3,100 versus 4,476 worldwide. What horrible numbers. Something has to be done. I am asking Congressman Riley Moore, together with Chairman Tom Cole and the House Appropriations Committee, to immediately look into this matter and to report back to me. And I mean, like, immediately. The United States cannot stand by while such atrocities are happening in Nigeria and numerous other countries. It's not only Nigeria, it's all over. We stand ready, willing, and able to save our great Christian population around the world. This is not going to happen. The killing of Christians is not going to happen. If the Nigerian government continues to allow the killing of Christians, the USA will immediately stop all aid and assistance to Nigeria. We're going to do things to Nigeria that Nigeria is not going to be happy about.
Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ àárín yẹn? Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ àárín yẹn? Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ bẹ̀ yẹn? Mo ní ṣé ẹ gbọ́ bẹ̀ yẹn dáadáa? Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ bẹ̀ yẹn dáadáa? Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ bẹ̀ yẹn dáadáa? Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Oòduà, ẹ dìrálẹ̀ o. Àsìkò wa rèé o. Ẹ dìrálẹ̀. Ó ti yé yín, ẹ dìrálẹ̀. Kódùgbò káwa gan jáde, ká jáde tán. Tá bá wá máa jáde, kí la máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣe? Sọ́jà kan sọ̀rọ̀ ńbí. Orí ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ ni mo máa padà wá. Ó ti yé yín, ẹ farabalẹ̀ yín èèyàn mi. Ẹ gbọ́, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ àárín yẹn ṣe gbọ́ dáadáa sà. Mọ́mì, ṣe gbọ́ àárín yẹn dáadáa sà. Ǹjẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ dáadáa? At least
continues to allow the killing of Christians, the USA will immediately stop all aid and assistance to Nigeria. We're going to do things to Nigeria that Nigeria is not going to be happy about and may very well go into that now disgraced country. Guns are blowing.
Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ẹ má bínú, mo kàn ní kí a mú ẹyọ kan yẹn ká gbé lọ́wọ́ bí ọmọ tuntun, ká gbé dání. Ṣé rí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹyọ kan tó sọ yìí? Òun ló fa mí ti òru àná yẹn o, gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe lérò o, gẹ́gẹ́ bí arákùnrin yẹn ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ o. ọ̀rọ̀ ẹyọ kan tó sọ nbí yìí, ọ̀rọ̀ ẹyọ kan tó sọ, ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ẹ jẹ́ n gbé fídíò wá báyìí ká lè ráyè rojú ara wa. Ọ̀rọ̀ ẹyọ kan tí Donald Trump sọ yìí, tẹ́ bá gbọ́ sí tí ìjọba torí ìjọba tó ń fi orí lórí, tí gbogbo olóṣèlú ń forí lura wọn, tí wọ́n ń ṣe meeting, wọ́n ní wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ meeting ẹ̀ ní 12 o'clock bó wọ́n parí ẹ̀ ní 3 o'clock ìdájí. Tẹ́ bá rí wọn tó ń forí lórí sí tó forí lórí tó ń fi gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ ẹyọ kan yẹn ni wọ́n mọ̀, ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀rí pé ó tún rọra fi ọ̀rọ̀ ẹyọ kan bọ́ǹbù yẹn ó jù ú lẹ̀ pé tí ìjọba Nàìjíríà bá kọ̀ tí wọ́n ò dáwọ́ dúró láti máa pa wá bí wọ́n ṣe ń pa wá yìí, ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ rí mass burial lẹ́wọ̀n lójú screen yẹn, pé àwọn máa wọlé, àwọn dẹ̀ máa ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ pé inú Nàìjíríà ò ní dùn sí. Ó ti yé yín, ìjọba wa náà ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn o. Ó ti yé, torí ìjọba, because in tó fi lu ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn bẹ̀ yẹn ni pé gbogbo àwọn olóṣèlú tí wọ́n ń bẹ nínú shit tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀, tí wọ́n ń bẹ nínú wàhálà àti ìdààmú tó ń bá àwọn èèyàn yìí, gbogbo wọn ni wọ́n máa ṣe léṣe, gbogbo wọn náà máa padà nù. Ó ti yé yín, because ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn máa rí bí ọ̀rọ̀ ogun Biafra àgbà yẹn ni, ogun ojúkù gbà yẹn ni, tọ́ni ẹ̀ ń báyàn jà ẹ̀ ń fún wọn lóúnjẹ, bọ́rọ̀ yẹn ṣe máa rí nìyẹn. Amẹ́ríkà máa wò pé à ń bá terrorist ń jà, àwọn olórí agbésùnmọ̀ bíi Gumi mọ̀ pé òun máa fi kú ṣèfàjẹ, bí Gumi ṣe wà yẹn ó ti mọ̀ pé òun ni first target. Òun lẹ ṣe rí tó gbójú jáde tí ò tiẹ̀ fi bò mọ́, tó tún sọ pé wọ́n máa negotiate pẹ̀lú wọn níṣẹ́. Kódà ó tún ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ láàárọ̀ yìí, mo tún máa fún yín ní ọ̀rọ̀ tó Gumi tún sọ yàtọ̀ sí eléyìí tó ti sọ tẹ́lẹ̀. So ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn nìyẹn, ṣe rí ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ ẹ́ sìn, olóṣèlú tún lè gbé kọ́bẹ̀ tí tún fi lò ó, kọ́ tún bẹ̀ sí máa lò ó kiri pé ṣe ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, wọ́n máa pọ́ǹpù gbogbo everywhere ni, kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ yẹn olóṣèlú ló sọ sí, pé a máa ṣe nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé inú yóò ní dùn, tí ò dẹ̀ ní ṣe wọ́n máa wipe out gbogbo wọn, because ó wò pé kákọ̀ pa terrorist nìkan ni ká kúrò. Ṣùgbọ́n sìn bó ṣe ń wò ó lọ yìí, because ṣe pé lánàá òde yìí not on the 5th wọ́n tún ṣe lọ bandit ṣe lọ tún pààyàn ní Benue State. Ó ti yé yín, wọ́n tún ṣe rape àwọn kan ní àná yẹn again láwọn bandit tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. So wọ́n ṣe ń ṣiṣẹ́ wọn lọ. So ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ jẹ́ á gbáradì sílẹ̀, àsìkò yìí la fẹ́ fi bọ́ nínú oko ẹrú àwọn olóṣèlú. Ẹ rí nsìn ìtẹ́ tún ṣì máa rí àwọn religious leaders ṣì máa tún jáde o, wọ́n ṣì máa jáde bó ṣe wà yìí tó tún ṣì máa protest pé kí Trump fọwọ́ mú ààyè wọn, pé wọ́n tẹ̀ tún máa gbà. Mo tẹ̀ rí pásítọ̀ kan tó ń gbà ládùúrà pé a ti dáríjì àwọn bandit, kí Olódùmarè dáríjì gbogbo wa. Wọ́n ti ń fi ẹnu pẹ́ sọ pé àwọn ti dáríjì. Bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀rẹ́ Israel àti Hamas tó ń gbésùn mọ́ Israel tó ń kógun jà wọ́n, Israel ò dáríjì wọn níbi tí ìgbàgbọ́ gọgọgọ ti wá. Kẹ́ bá lè mọ̀ pé àwọn gáìsì wọ́n ń benefit nínú ìjọba ni. Wọ́n sọ ń bẹ̀ pé kí Olódùmarè ọba kó dáríjì wọ́n bẹ̀, táwọn pásítọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan ti ń pẹ́ sọ. Mo rí pásítọ̀ kan lánàá, ó dùn mí, mi download ẹ̀, mo rí lórí ayélujára tó ń sọ pé a ti dáríjì wọn, a ti ṣe ọrọ̀ ajé wa náà fẹ́ wá kó, resources wa náà fẹ́ wá gbà. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ sà, tí Donald Trump bá fẹ́ gba resources, ṣé Nàìjíríà ló pe Donald Trump pé kó máa bọ̀ ni kó wá bá wọn jagun débi tí Donald Trump ti lè jòkó kó dáa, àwa máa bá yín jagun yìí o, ṣùgbọ́n kí lẹ fẹ́ fún wa? Àwọn kọ́ ló pé Donald Trump lórí pé Kristẹni ọ̀dọ̀ wa náà ló ti wá, báwo lẹ ṣe nígbà tí Mùsùlùmí bá lè máa dáàbò bo Mùsùlùmí ẹgbẹ́, wáyé táwa náà ò fi ní dáàbò bo Kristẹni ẹgbẹ́ wa? Làwọn náà fi dìde pé olórí gbogbo ayé ni wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ dá sí nǹkan tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí. So àwọn olódìde tán ni wọ́n ń bọ̀, kì í ṣe pé bóyá ìjọba Nàìjíríà ló pè wọ́n pé ẹ máa bọ̀, ẹ wá ràn wá lọ́wọ́ débi tó ti lè máa dìmáàdì fún nǹkan. So ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ẹja gbé yẹn kúrò lọ́kàn wa, olóṣèlú ló gbé yẹn sí wa lọ́pọlọ, kò sí tó jọ. Wọ́n ń pariwo irọ́ ni wọ́n pa, kò sí ìpààrọ̀ rẹ̀, kò sí lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà, genocide ò sí, kò sí tó jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀, kò sí pé a fẹ́ pa ìyà kan run. Wọ́n ń pa oríṣiríṣi irọ́, Ẹ̀yin ọmọ aládé, now ẹja wá gbọ́ nǹkan tí sójà yìí sọ pé tí wàhálà yẹn bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ n tá gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe ẹ jẹ́ kí n sáré fún yín mo fẹ́ kẹ́ sáré rí
Christianity is facing an
tí wàhálà yẹn bá ti dé o n tá nílò láti ṣe ń sìn ó sọ ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ẹ má fojú tẹ́ńbẹ́lú ẹja wò ẹja gbọ́.
tó bá di àárọ̀ ọ̀la
ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ó sọ bí eré ó sọ bí àwàdà ìṣàwàdà
ọ̀la
farabalẹ̀ gbọ́.
kẹ lọ sáré kun géètì ní green o US Army ń bọ̀ o bínú àṣesọ fáwọn ọmọ ìgbà yẹn náà nìyẹn tí wọ́n gbọ́. mo sì sọ fáwọn oníkọ̀ọ̀kan ilẹ̀kùn náà ní kán wọnú ṣíìpù wọn gbọ́ ẹni tó bá kunlé ẹ̀ ní green àwọn la máa filẹ̀ o ẹni tó bá kunlé ẹ̀ ní green la máa filẹ̀ o tí wọ́n bá kunlé ẹ̀ ní green. grenade kan ló wá jẹ wọ́n sáré dáhùn sí ẹ̀rí àwọn lílé àwọn
àti páàkì báàgì ọ̀ṣà ìgboro báàgì
bọ́ǹpù ló wà nínú ẹ̀ bó ṣe wà yẹn.
ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ̀rọ ọmọ Yorùbá ọlọ Nàìjíríà ayé yìí ṣe ayé àwọn olóṣèlú Nàìjíríà ti bàjẹ́ tán.
àárọ̀ ọ̀la.
ẹ wo àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ wo àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ wo bọ́n ṣe kó everybody lẹ́rú ara nǹkan tá à ń sọ mo ṣe ń bọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ yẹn o ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kò wá sí mi lọ́kàn ni o tá à ń sọ fún wa pé gbogbo àwọn táwa lókè òkú tó gbé pálí lé wa lọ́wọ́ wọ́n kó wa lẹ́rú ni náà sì kógun bẹ́ẹ̀lẹ̀ báyìí kí Amẹ́ríkà wá sọ pé yá ẹ̀yin gáìsì ẹ lọ kojú Nàìjíríà ṣáwọn gáìsì á sọ pé rọ́ because wọ́n ti rídìí wọn náà wọ́n ti mọ àwọn tó yẹ pé ọmọ nílùú wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé àwọn eléyìí lè fẹ́ gbàbọ̀dé o pẹ̀lú ìmùlẹ̀ tó ń mu pẹ̀lú Amẹ́ríkà ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi náà ẹ jẹ́ ká wá bọ́ sórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó fi ṣe bí àwàdà yìí ẹ̀yin ọmọ kóòtù òjìrè ó sọ̀rọ̀ kan bẹ̀ yẹn ó ní tó bá ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ó ní ẹkùn lé yín ní green kò sí ní tó jọ bẹ́ẹ̀ fúláàgì la gbọ́dọ̀ gbé lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ẹ́rí gbogbo nǹkan tí mo sọ yìí àwọn ará bí tàjọ ń jàjàǹgbara àwọn náà ti ń pláàni ẹ̀ pláàni ti wà lórí pé tó bá ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o tó ti dé tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ because Trump ò lè wọlé káwọn olórí burúkú yìí má fẹ́ jupá àwọn náà fẹ́ àwọn tó wà nùgbà fẹ́ jáde gbogbo ẹ̀ máa dogun bí ò bá dẹ̀ dogun tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n kojú wọn lọ́hùn ẹ̀yin ẹja ṣe kíni ẹja gbé flag wa káwa náà máa pariwo pé we want referendum kí Trump tó fi bẹ̀yẹn lẹ̀ láti máa sọ fún wọn we want referendum àṣemọ́ kí everybody gbé flag lọ́wọ́ mo jẹ́rìí àwọn Biafra wọ́n máa gbé flag lọ́wọ́ tí everybody máa jáde tán everybody á jáde tán pátápátá ẹ jẹ́ ká àwa tá a jẹ́ Oòduà nation ẹ jẹ́ àwa náà jáde gbogbo flag ẹ jẹ́ àpò síta because gbogbo nǹkan táwọn olóṣèlú yẹn ń bẹ̀rù nìyẹn tó fi sọ pé wọ́n fẹ́ lọ fún referendum pé wọ́n máa lọ bá Tinubu because wọ́n mọ̀ pé tó bá ti délẹ̀ báyìí gbogbo ẹ̀ máa da àwọn oní revolution gan á jáde everybody wọ́n mọ̀ pé everybody máa jáde so ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo wa àwa tá a ní flag sílé ẹ jẹ́ àpò jáde tá a bá ti gbọ́ pé Trump ti wọlé ó ti release one bomb sí Zamfara báyìí gbẹ́ẹ̀ tó ti dún ta ti pé yá àwọn gáìsì ti dé o gbogbo ibi tá a bá wọ everything máa sísì náà ni ta ló fẹ́ lọ bí iṣẹ́ olódò ò lè rodo because tó bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ gbàù tó bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ náà nìyẹn because àwọn gáìsì Àsárì Tòkunbọ̀ Àsárì Tòkunbọ̀ náà pé òun náà ti ń lérí pé òun ní sójà pé òun máa kó wọn ti Trump kéṣù ṣe é irú àwọn ọmọ tó kójọ tó fi ń terrorize àwọn tó fi ń bá àwọn Biafra jà pé òun máa smoke wọn òun máa ṣe báyìí kàn pa gbogbo wọn dànù ó ti yé so irú tó bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ èèyàn ọmọ aládé ẹ má jẹ́ abá wọn àwọn ará àbí ṣeré tó bá mọ̀ pé onígbẹ́kúdè gbé sọ́hùn oní gbẹ̀tugbẹ̀tu gbé sọ́hùn jáde síta pẹ̀lú flag yẹ kí gbogbo wa máa pariwo fóní ṣẹ́rí kò ní sẹ́nibọ̀dì tó fẹ́ lọ bí iṣẹ́ Fúlàní ò ní gbà Gumi òun náà fẹ́ jupá the last blood rẹ̀ á fẹ́ lò because Gumi máa lọ sí wọ́n máa pa kò sí ní Gumi máa kú bó ṣe wà yẹn bí Gumi ṣe wà yẹn wọ́n máa pa so òun ló fi dà pé òun náà dìde tóun náà fi ń múra tóun náà fi ń dìde pé kò tiẹ̀ ìjà kan ṣe terrorist tẹ́ negotiate pẹ̀lú wọn láti 15 years tẹ́ẹ̀rí bá ti ṣe tẹ́ẹ̀rọ ọ̀nà gbégbà tẹ́tú ṣe ń sọ pé ẹtú ṣe máa negotiate pẹ̀lú wọn díẹ̀díẹ̀ tẹ́ fún máa gbàbọ̀ wọn sílẹ̀ tó ń bá gbàbọ̀ lọ́wọ́ wọn kì wá tún ṣe pé ẹ tún máa gbàbọ̀ lásán lọ́wọ́ wọn ẹ tún máa sọ wọn di citizen Olódùmarè mọ̀mọ́ sọmọ rẹ o mọ̀ sáyà Ọlọ́run mi ó tún máa sọ wọ́n di ó ní they will become good citizen láwọn ọmọ Mali àwọn ọmọ Niger àwọn ọmọ Burkina Faso gbogbo bẹ́yẹn so ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi wọ́n ní pátápátá là ń fọ́jú kùmọ̀kùmọ̀ là ń dẹ́tẹ̀ ojú àfọ̀fọ̀ tán wàhálà ló dálẹ̀ ṣé rí gbogbo ilé àwọn olóṣèlú yẹn ẹjẹ́ á dá gbogbo ẹ̀ mọ̀ pátápátá tó bá ti kọ́kọ́ débẹ̀ àwọn olóṣèlú yẹn ní ká kọ́ sunbò lẹ́yìn àwọn ilé tó wà nílẹ̀ wa ó ti yé ẹjẹ́ á kọ́kọ́ sunbò wọn because tá a bá jáde sí títì táwọn olóṣèlú tí ilé wọn ti wà tí ò jó tí ò sí pé tí ò sí nǹkan tó ṣe tí ìṣe pé báyà ẹni ti ṣe ó ti yé yín àtọ́ba àtìjòyè wọn á sì máa fi nọ́mọ yín so the first attack tá a bá ti gbọ́ pé Trump dé gbans àwọn ọba àwọn ìjòyè àwọn kìíní ẹjẹ́ á kọ́kọ́ lọ bá wọn ná ṣé tiwa lẹ ń ṣe yín bàbá ṣé tiwa lẹ fẹ́ ṣe nígbẹ̀yìn bẹbẹ jẹ́ fún wa àmì tí ni mo fẹ́ ṣe because iná ti tọ́ lẹ́yìn aṣíṣù jẹun tí ni mo fẹ́ ṣe òkè báwo la ṣe lè mọ̀ pé tí òkè ṣe máa bú Ògún sin àbí báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ ṣe torí a fẹ́ jáde ń sin táyì nígbẹ̀yìn gbé kinní rù wá àbí ká kú ṣe ní pátápátá là ń fọ́jú gan ká lé gbogbo wọn léré because wọn ò wúlò fún wa àlọ́ba àníjòyè àlólóṣèlú kankan tó táyé ẹ̀sùn ẹ lọ wo Ògùn state ẹ lọ wo gbogbo ọ̀nà bó ṣe rí ìyà ń jẹ everybody ní pẹ̀lú ọ̀nà tí Dàpọ̀ Abíọ́dún gba billion owó allocation látọ̀dọ̀ kínní owó gbẹ̀dẹ̀dẹ̀dẹ̀dẹ̀ tó ń gbé bọ́n ṣe ń gbowó yẹn tó ẹ lọ wo Ògùn state ẹ lọ wo Ondo state ẹ lọ wo gbogbo ọ̀nà kiri kò sí iná kò sóúnjẹ kò sí mímu wọn tó kó bandit wọn tó pa wá ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ẹja lé gbogbo wọn léré ẹja sunbò wọn tó bá ti tásìkò yẹn gbogbo ilé olóṣèlú pátá ni kẹjá lọ dúró sí pátápátá so ní ọwọ́ tàwa iṣẹ́ ọ̀nà àbáyọ kan ṣoṣo tó kù fún òjò yẹn lọ bẹ̀pẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ mú ní ẹ fẹ́ jẹ́ kán mú nírọ̀rùn kó lọ nírọ̀rùn kò ní lọ nírọ̀rùn because nọ́mbà wà gbogbo àwọn dọ́mà ti sọ pọ́n dé báyìí gbogbo wọn á ti fò lọ so wọn á bìlí pé àwa náà fẹ́ forí wọn la fẹ́ forí ko tó bá ti lólóṣèlú tá a délé ẹ̀ tá a rí pé kò sí ń bẹ̀ àbí a dé governor's house àrí ń bẹ̀ ó ti sá lọ ẹja bẹ́ná sí nǹkan tó ẹja bẹ́ná sí so ti tèmi nìyẹn ẹja bẹ́ná sí because olórí burúkú láì jẹ́ pé a ṣe wọ́n bí wọ́n ṣe ṣe àwọn olórí wọn ní Ghana bí wọ́n ṣe ṣe ní Burkina Faso tá a bá ṣe àwọn bó ṣe ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ṣe ṣe láwọn ìlú míì tá a bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà a ní bọ́ nínú oko ẹrú yìí o ẹran tí ìgbà ayé ensars ayé ìgbà ensars wọ́n ti believe pé everything ti tán ni o wọ́n believe pé everything ti lọ pé kò sí nǹkan kan fún wọn mọ́ gbogbo wọn fò lóyìn tó lọ France tó fò já gbogbo olóṣèlú parẹ́ kọ́ra local government chairman mi ìgbọ́rí òun náà fò dànù ó sá lọ nígbà tó ń gbọ́ pé wọ́n ti pa wọ́n ní Lekki Toll Gate dáadáa tó ti pa ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ènìyàn dáadáa tó ti pẹ́ everybody ti túká gbogbo wọn tó padà wá kí náà tó wá padà ṣe ṣe mọ̀ pé ó yẹ kó máa tú ayé wa ṣe kó tẹ̀ wo ìtìkú tó fi pa àwọn èèyàn yẹn kó ṣe dáadáa kí ló padà ṣe ṣèbí lẹ́yìn ìgbà yẹn ni wọ́n fẹ́ bí pa yín tẹ́ jáde tẹ́ fẹ́ profess pé ebi ń pa wọ́n ẹ̀kú ṣe pé wọ́n tó àtàkì yín ni pé ayé Tinubu yìí ló ebi ń pa yín ebi wèrè wo ló ń pa yín ẹ lọ kú sílé jáde ebi wo nìyẹn láyé ọmọ Yorùbá tó máa ṣe gbogbo kan tó dáa fún yín lẹ́yìn ìgbà yẹn náà wó gbogbo òwòròṣòkì ń sìn yín o tọ́ni Tinubu ló ní kọ́ lọ máa wó o tó fẹ́ gba gbogbo bẹ̀ yẹn kìdẹ́ tí ó ṣe òwòròṣòkì nìkan náà máa wó o ó tún ṣe pò àdúgbò ṣe pọ̀ Lagos state yẹn tí Tinubu fẹ́ gbà o because tó ń bá ti sọ pé Yorùbá nation wọ́n fẹ́ sọ pé Lagos nation ni o àwọn olóṣèlú fẹ́ gba bẹ̀ yẹn pápátá dóònà ìrọ́dọ̀ fìyẹn pa aṣojú wa tó bá tásìkò so ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ẹ má jà sọ pé bóyá ajáde gbọ́ àwọn olóṣèlú kan ẹyọ kan bí ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ dá wọn sí lélẹ̀ tẹ́ bá mú so ẹ jẹ́ ká gbára wa lẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká gbára wa sílẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ àwọn olórí burúkú yìí ẹ jẹ́ gbára wa sílẹ̀ bí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ ọjọ́ ọ̀la àwọn ọmọ wọn ò garanti ọmọ nìyá lọ́jà gbogbo Nàìjíríà ó tún mú kejì lọ́wọ́ ó fẹ́ jẹ gọ́vnà èmi mọ̀ pé ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ yìí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé lọ́jọ́ ọ̀la because kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ ṣe é òwú tí bàbá bá gbọ̀n lọ́mọ máa gbé ẹjá sunbò wọn kọ́ lè mọ̀ pé wọ́n fìyà jẹ wá ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi àkókò náà ti dé Donald Trump kó máa bọ̀ èyí tó gbé wọn tó tẹ gbogbo olóṣèlú tó ń sákiri ńsìn tó ń sákiri wọ́n ti rí i ní pé omi ti gbẹ lẹ́yìn ẹja wọn bí Trump ò bá dẹ̀ wá èyí tó máa lé wọn kúrò lórí ipò ó ń bọ̀ ó máa dé bá wọn láì jẹ́ pé á dìde láti take action lórí gbogbo àwọn olóṣèlú tẹ́ ń wò yẹn ẹ lọ wo gbogbo owó wa tó ń gbà tí wọ́n bá ń sọ pé bílíọ̀n tírílíọ̀n ń bò náà kò sí kí ni wọ́n fi ṣe òkè òkun ọ̀hún ní Amẹ́ríkà tí wọ́n sọ pé kó má wáyé Amẹ́ríkà ọ̀hún náà kó lọ o tó lọ fi ń dálé iṣẹ́ lẹ̀ tó fi ń ṣe oríṣi tó fi ń gbólóṣó kiri tó ń kọ́lé fólóṣó. So ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa tó bá ní anybody nínú àwọn aráabí tó ń sọ fún yín pé wọn ò pààyàn Nàìjíríà irọ́ ni wọ́n fi ń pa gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ́ti rí yìí o màá tún fún yín ní fídíò kan ṣe tẹ́tú máa rí so tó bá ti ṣẹlẹ̀ everybody ẹja lọ àwọn Biafra ti ready wọ́n á kó flag jáde ní referendum ní àṣemọ́ so the only thing tá lè ṣe nìyẹn o kó ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí kí Trump ti dé gbans ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pariwo pé àṣe Nàìjíríà mọ́ a fẹ́ pín so bẹ́yẹn ni o olóṣèlú tó bá dẹ̀ gbémú tó bá rí i pé ẹni ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ládùúgbò ibi táwọn èèyàn ti jáde olóṣèlú àtọba ìlú yẹn ní kẹjá lọ dúdú ìjà kọ ká má tiẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ ṣe àtáàkì wọn ká ṣe fi wọn lẹ̀ bẹ̀tán tá bá ti gbọ́ pé ìkọ́kọ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí ká lọ sunbò wọn níbi tó bá wà àwọn méjì yẹn ló máa ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn àwọn méjì yẹn ló ń control tọ́ọ̀gì àdúgbò ọba àti gọ́vnà àtàwọn olóṣèlú tó wà mí àwọn ló ń control tọ́ọ̀gì àwọn ló ń control ọlọ́pàá because peaceful rally ló máa bá dé ẹ má ti ẹ̀já kọ́ tí ìkọ̀kọ́ àtàkì wọn ẹ ti ẹ̀já kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ peaceful rally wa bá ṣe ń ṣe ká kó flag jáde ká wá wò báyà wọn máa wá disturb wa because self determination ni ká wá wò báyà wọn máa disturb wa bẹ̀ tẹ́ni tí bá ti ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí ọba ìlú yẹn àtàwọn olóṣèlú ìlú yẹn ní kẹjá kojú ìjà sí bọ́ ṣe ṣe nígbà yẹn sàsì ní kẹjá ṣe lé wọn lórí tí gbogbo wọn sá lọ tẹrù bà wọn tí gbogbo ẹ̀ dàrú mọ́ wọn lọ́wọ́ so ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa fáfàní ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa tí wọ́n bá sọ̀rọ̀ pé báyìí ni wọn pààyàn wọn ṣe gbá wọn ṣàwó so ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ nǹkan tá à ń ṣe ìjọba Amẹ́ríkà tó ń bọ̀ ó fẹ́ wá gbà wá lẹ̀ so ẹ já mọ̀ nǹkan tá à ń ṣe níbi tó le dé ẹ tún wá wo ìkan lára àwọn military officer wọn ó tún bẹ̀bẹ̀ fún àwọn Boko Haram ni ẹ ti rí fídíò yìí.
Opportunities are out there for them. They can be rehabilitated. An ex-Boko Haram spans of Lagos, having ladies armed comes back tons. Opportunities are out there for them. They can be rehabilitated. An ex-Boko Haram spans of Lagos, having ladies armed and comes back turns his way away from his negativity. He stands to be a president of this country. He stands to aspire to any position in this country. Why is he wasting his time when he cannot even deliver? We will do that, but we have appealed to them and opportunities are out there for them. They can be rehabilitated. An ex-Boko Haram spans of Lagos, having ladies armed and comes back turns his way away from his negativity. He stands to be a president of this country. He stands to aspire to any position in this country.
We don't want to push them into that terror beyond what they are doing now, because yes, it can get worse. They have shown us their willingness to negotiate. So people that are ready to negotiate, why are you rushing to just declare them bandits so that you can use whatever weapons you bought? Before, they used to catch Boko Haram and present them to the authorities in Zamfara. But now they're all terrorists. Secondly, the only door that remains, that is we clergy to go in and negotiate with them, is closed down permanently. We don't want to push them into that terror beyond what they are doing now, because yes, it can get worse. They have shown us their willingness to negotiate. So people that are ready to negotiate, why are you rushing to just declare them bandits so that you can use whatever weapons you bought? Before, they used to catch Boko Haram and present them to the authorities in Zamfara. But now they're all terrorists. Secondly, the only door that remains, that is we clergy to go in and negotiate with them, is closed down permanently. We don't want to put...
wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ negotiate pẹ̀lú àwọn bandit. Now ẹni tó dìde lára àwọn tó dìde tí a kò mọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ kan lẹ́ẹ̀kan pé lára àwọn kan tí wọ́n dìde láti pariwo pé kí Amẹ́ríkà máa bọ̀, wọ́n declare nìyẹn wanted. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa fún yín ní fídíò yẹn. Arákùnrin yẹn dìde jáde gbogbo bó ṣe pààyàn ó show ẹ̀ fún gbogbo àgbáyé pé bí àwọn, because ṣe àpé wọ́n dìde tán pé kò sí nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ genocide ní Nàìjíríà o, kò sí nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ o, wọn ọ̀pẹ̀ ìyà kankan run o, nǹkan kan o. Arákùnrin ní láti jáde pé kò sí tó jọ o pé ìjọba ń parọ́ ni o, pé kán wò báyìí wọ́n ti declare wanted ẹ já wò.
Christians. This one this one.
Fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa tí wọ́n ń parọ́ tàn pé kò sí nǹkan tí pé wọ́n ò pa ẹ̀ pé àwọn kò dìde pé wọ́n fẹ́ pa ẹ̀yà run bá àwọn Fúlàní ṣe ń sìn ṣe wọ́n fẹ́ pa gbogbo ẹ̀yà wa run ni because ṣe mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin Muslim ní Nàìjíríà lọ́dọ̀ àwọn pípù yìí ó pé méjì ṣe rí Muslim tilẹ̀ Yorùbá unbeliever ni wọ́n o unbeliever làwọn ní ti Muslim ilẹ̀ Yorùbá lọ́dọ̀ àwọn terrorist wọ̀nyí so tẹ́ bá gbà wọ́n láàyè táwọn gáìsì bá pa gbogbo kìrìsìtẹ́nì run tán ṣe rí ẹ̀yin mùsùlùmí tí ẹ jẹ́ ti Yorùbá ṣe pé lọ́dọ̀ tí wọ́n àwọn òun mu sìgá lọ́dọ̀ àwọn tó ń dìdí gbé Islam lọ́wọ́ wọn ń fa sìgá wọn ń kóbìnrin wọn ń torí wọ́n máa ń play pé they are saint ó ti yé yín pé wọn aláìdẹ́ṣẹ̀ kankan ni wọ́n bí pé wọ́n wà ní mímọ́ ó ti yé yín ṣùgbọ́n ṣe rẹ́yìn mùsùlùmí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá wọ́n rí yín bí unbeliever bí pé ẹ̀yin aláìnígbàgbọ́ ni yín ẹ̀yin nǹkan tẹ́ tó ń gbàgbọ́ nú ẹ̀yin ò ní gbàgbọ́ nú ẹ̀ so wọ́n dẹ̀ believe pé sharia nìkan pa yín so òun ni wọ́n fi finish wọn ní Haúsá nílẹ̀ Haúsá because nígbà tí wọ́n kọ́ máa kọ́ńkà ilẹ̀ Haúsá wọ́n jẹ́ kó yé wọn lọ́hùn pé ṣé nígbà tó wọlé tán wọ́n wá sọ fún àwọn gáìsì yẹn pé àwọn bàbá yín nulẹ̀ o pé ẹ̀sìn táwa gbé lọ́wọ́ yìí eléyìí tó ń gbé lọ́wọ́ kì í ṣe titi wọn pé titi wọn yẹn ò jẹ́ níhù kì í ṣe ti dáadáa tí wọn yìí gangan ló jẹ́ níhù so ẹ̀sìn tiwa yìí ṣẹ̀rí àánú ẹ̀ náà kó kọ́ lọ pa wọ́n pa gbogbo àwọn leaders wọn tọba wọ́n pa gbogbo wọn dànù so gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n ń jà tí àwọn gáìsì tí Donald Trump fẹ́ wá jà sí èyí tó máa benefit èmi àti ẹni o tó ò bá mọ̀ torí o lè má mọ̀ pé wọ́n pa kìrìsìtẹ́nì kó má mọ̀ mí ni ẹ̀ kó má mọ̀ ìdí tí Trump sọ lóko òun bọ̀ láti wá gbèjà Christian because ó fẹ́ jẹ́ kó yà àti Christian àti Muslim ta ni ò yẹ kó gbélé ayé nú ẹ̀yin méjèèjì so táwọn bandits tó bá lè gbìyànjú tí wọ́n successful lórí iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n ṣe yìí ọ̀dọ̀ ẹ̀yin tí ẹ jẹ́ mùsùlùmí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni wọ́n máa pàṣẹ pé ẹlẹ́bọ náà pé gbogbo yín ṣe pé ẹlẹ́bọ náà pè yín ṣe pé tí mọ́fìtì Ìwó bá máa sọ̀rọ̀ á ní ẹlẹ́bọ aláwọn ẹlẹ́bọ tí wọ́n bá máa sọ̀rọ̀ náà wọ́n ní àwọn pé ẹ̀ ń ṣoògùn ẹ̀ ń jáwé ẹ̀ ń lo egbò ṣe pé lára ẹ̀yin mùsùlùmí ṣe pé lára yín against yín àwọn tó fẹ́ pa yín yẹn nìyẹn tí ààyè yẹn tó bá ti wọlé dáadáa tí wọ́n ti gba gbogbo ibi nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ṣe pé sẹ́ríkì wọ́n pọ̀ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá tí wọ́n ti make sure pé wọ́n ti finish Christian wọ́n á bẹ̀ sí ní pa ẹ̀yin náà kékèké díẹ̀ wọ́n gba gbogbo ilẹ̀ nìyẹn ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wá jẹ́ mùsùlùmí tẹ́ ẹ kù tẹ́ àti ẹ̀yin tẹ́ sáwọgbó àtẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ sáwọgbó tẹ́ dúró ń gbà yẹn tó bá tásìkò ẹnu yín ò ní tọrọ mọ́ ẹ̀yin náà wá da omi ìṣanwọ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn ẹ wá máa sìn wọ́n bí ẹrú wọ́n máa lò yín bí ẹrú ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ top Muslim gbogbo yín náà máa padà torí pé unbeliever ní ẹ nígbàgbọ́ ìgbàgbọ́ wọn kò ìgbàgbọ́ tí yín ò kojú òṣùwọ̀n títí wọn dẹ̀ bí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe Muslim wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe ẹ̀sìn tí wọ́n yàtọ̀ sí ti yín bẹ́ẹ̀ yín ṣe ti yín ẹ̀ mú oògùn mọ́ àwọn ò dẹ̀ fẹ́ so ìdí nìyẹn tí gbogbo wa fi gbọ́dọ̀ dìde àtẹlẹ́sìn mùsùlùmí o àtẹlẹ́sìn kìrìsìtẹ́nì o gbogbo wa gbọ́dọ̀ dìde láti support Donald Trump pé kó wọlé láti wá kojú àwọn agbésùnmọ̀mí yìí kí gbogbo wa náà ká dẹ̀ dìde lẹ́ẹ̀kan náà ká gbé flag wa lọ́wọ́ ká sọ pé a ò fẹ́ Nàìjíríà mọ́ ẹ̀bá àjà wa 50 ìlú jáde tó gbé flag yẹn já gbé ẹ̀tọ́ wa ní láti gbé flag wa sọ́wọ́ ẹ̀tọ́ wa ní láti gbé flag wa lọ́wọ́ so tí wọ́n bá lọ jẹ́ mùsùlùmí tó bá lọ jòkó tẹ̀tẹ̀rẹ̀ pé kò kàn ẹ́ tó jẹ́ mùsùlùmí Yorùbá tí tó ní kò kàn ẹ́ wò ó tí àwọn gáìsì bá succeed tí àwọn ìjọba ìdìde tó gbogbo agent wọn tó kó síta sìn láti máa condemn Donald Trump láti máa sọ fún wọn pé ẹ ti ẹ gbàgbé nípa ìyà tó ń jẹ yín ná ẹ kọ́ defend ilẹ̀ yín tí Trump bá dó fẹ́ gba gbogbo ilẹ̀ ni tí wọ́n successful tí Fúlàní parí agenda ẹ̀ ṣẹ́rí gbogbo ẹ̀yin mùsùlùmí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá wọ́n máa pa gbogbo yín tó pátá because wọ́n believe pé olóògùn nìyí, wọ́n believe pé ẹ̀ ń ṣe ẹbọ mọ́ mùsùlùmí tí ò dẹ̀ yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ rí pé gbogbo àwọn top àwọn ọmọ Usman Dan Fodio yẹn, ẹ rí pé ariwo tó ń pa fún yín nílẹ̀ Yorùbá nìyẹn pé ìgbàgbọ́ ti yín ò kójú òṣùwọ̀n. Ó lè máa kírun o, ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n rí ẹ bí unbeliever, wọ́n rí ẹ ní ìrí pé no o nígbàgbọ́ mùsùlùmí ẹ̀sìn ẹ ò kójú òṣùwọ̀n, so fún díẹ̀ yìí wọ́n máa pa gbogbo yín dànù ni. Bọ́n ṣe gẹ́lẹ́ ní nọ́ọ̀tì nìyẹn o, tó fi wá di pé emir ló ń jẹ gbogbo ọba wọn nílẹ̀ Haúsá, tí Haúsá kọ̀ọ̀kan ò sí ní gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì mọ́ tó jẹ́ kìkì Fúlàní. Ṣé ẹgbẹ́ Haúsá wọ́n ti yọ Haúsá kúrò nínú Nàìjíríà ní tó jẹ́ pé Haúsá Yorùbá àti Ìgbò ní tẹ́lẹ̀, ó ti di Haúsá Fúlàní sìn. Dáhùn sìn ní Ìlọrin sìn Yorùbá Fúlàní ti wà ní Ìlọrin. So mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ àárín dáadáa kó ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà lẹ́ẹ̀ kó lè yé yín, kó má dẹ̀ pé a kàn ń pariwo lásán. Ẹ̀yin náà mọ̀ pé mi ń pariwo, ó ti yé yín, ọ̀rọ̀ ni mo máa bá yín sọ, ní tá bá ti gbọ́ la máa mú wá fún yín kẹ́ ẹ lè mọ̀ bó ṣe ń lọ, kẹ́yìn mùsùlùmí náà lè mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa dìde. Kẹ́ má kọ̀ wò pé kìrìsìtẹ́nì nìkan ni wọ́n pa ni wọ́n dìde fún, torí pé wọ́n pa kìrìsìtẹ́nì lẹ́ni, wọ́n padà bọ̀ wá pa ẹ̀yin mùsùlùmí lọ́la, torí ń tẹ́ gbé lọ́wọ́ kì í ṣe bí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe lẹ́yìn ṣe é ṣe tiyín. Ó ti yé, kì í ṣe bọ́ ṣe é ṣe tiwọn lẹ́yìn ṣe é ṣe tiyín. So kẹ́ má lọ yàyọ̀ pọ̀rọ̀, kẹ́ má lọ yàyọ̀ jù pé àwa Yorùbá mùsùlùmí gbogbo yín náà máa padà nù pátá láìkẹyọkan. Gbogbo àwọn ẹ rí pé nílẹ̀ Yorùbá díẹ̀díẹ̀ bísìn àti rí Fúlàní Yorùbá kò tí ì wọnú law ni, kò tí ì wọnú constitution ni pé òkè o náà ṣe o Yorùbá kan ṣe o wọ́n ti ń kọ́ńkà Yorùbá ò dẹ̀ Fúlàní Yorùbá then Haúsá Fúlàní Ìgbò Fúlàní, ó ti yé yín, dẹ̀ tó bá wá yá Fúlàní nìkan ló máa wá dúró, ẹ̀yin yòókù wọ́n á yọ orúkọ yín kúrò, àwa di Fúlàní ló ń ṣèjọba lèyí lórí. Ṣàríà tẹ́ ń gbé tẹ́ ń sọ pé ẹ̀fẹ́ wọ́n wá fọ́ọ̀sì ẹ̀ lèyí lórí, ẹ̀dẹ̀rú nìyẹn o. So in tó wà ńlẹ̀ nìyẹn, agenda yẹn wà ńlẹ̀, bí wọ́n parí ẹ̀ sìn ó lè jẹ́ orí ọmọ yín, orí àwọn ọmọ wa náà ti máa parí ẹ̀. Bí wọn ò ráyè parí ẹ̀ sìn, tá bá sì fún wọn láàyè ni mò ń sọ yìí o. Tẹ́ ẹ dìde sí tẹ́ni Trump gbọ́dọ̀ wá kíní kan tó ń dẹ́rù bà yín pé ó fẹ́ wá pààyàn gbalẹ̀ ni, tó ò dìde ń sìn pẹ̀lú wọ́n tó jẹ́ mùsùlùmí Yorùbá, tó ò dìde pẹ̀lú wa ń sìn, àbí kí Trump yẹn dé gan kí wọ́n gan jáde síta kó sọ pé ò ṣe mọ́, tó lọ jòkó mọ́nú ilé, tó lọ bìlípò jòkó, àwọn guys máa finish ẹ. Bí wọ́n finish ẹ sìn, wọ́n finish ẹ nígbà àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n lágbára bí titi wa yìí. So ìdí nìyẹn tá fi ń sọ fún ẹ sí pé ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà ńlẹ̀ kì í ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ kìrìsìtẹ́nì nìkan, kì í ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ kìrìsìtẹ́nì pé wọ́n pa kìrìsìtẹ́nì nìkan, opportunity ńlá ló jẹ́ fún wa láti pé kí àwa àtẹni tó gbàgbọ́ o àtẹni tí ò gbàgbọ́ o àti babaláwo wọ́n máa pa babaláwo náà. Ṣé bóun nìyẹn? Àbí àwọn akíkanjú tó pa lóòrèké tó pa ní baba ńlá ṣé wọ́n lágbára ni? Àwọn náà wọ́n ti ń ṣe pé wọ́n á ṣe bí pé wọ́n mọ́ bí pé sẹ́ǹtì ni wọ́n, ṣùgbọ́n nínú ẹ̀yin náà mọ̀ pé kírímínà ni wọ́n, ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yín náà mọ̀. So wọ́n ń ṣe oògùn dáadáa bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọn ò lè gbé jáde sí yín bẹ́ẹ̀ yín ṣe é ṣe ti yín, wọn ò ní ever gbé jáde orí wọn pé wọ́n jáwé àti gbò, bẹ̀tẹ̀ ẹ̀yin lẹ lè gbé jáde pé nǹkan bàbá alábàbá wa ni, nǹkan òwúsọ ni, nǹkan kan bí àáfàá tó wà lórí ayélujára tó sọ pé àáfàá lòun tó pe Odùduwà lọ́mọ àlè lọ́jọ́ sí, tó ní ọmọ àlè lódùduwà. At the end of the day nǹkan tó Odùduwà òun tó jogún tó fún wa òun ló ń lò. Ó ti yé yín, ṣe àpò tí tó bá di pé irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wọn á kọ́kọ́ clear because wọ́n ti rí pé àwọ̀ èlò oògùn ó lè fẹ́ fo oògùn yẹn tákù wọn á kọ́ clear ẹ̀dànù, wọn á pàdánù ni because ẹ̀sìn tó gbé lọ́wọ́ yẹn kì í ṣe irú tiwọn. So nǹkan tá à ń sọ fún yín nìyẹn o, kẹ́ ẹ jí kẹ́ má sùn o, kẹ́ ẹ jí kẹ́ má sùn. Àwọn èèyàn tó dìde ń ṣe tó ń jáde tó ń pariwo pé wọ́n pa èèyàn níbí wọ́n pa èèyàn bí bọ̀bọ̀ tẹ̀ ń wò yìí sí wọ́n ti declare wanted. Kẹ́ ẹ bá lè mọ̀ pé àwọn ìjọba wa gan wá fẹ́ kí agenda àwọn Fúlàní yìí wọ́n wá fẹ́ kó ṣẹlẹ̀ wa lórí. Àwọn ọba wa gangan fúnra wọn pẹ̀lú nǹkan tó ń ṣe lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ pẹ̀lú wa, wọ́n fẹ́ kí agenda Fúlàní yẹn wọ́n fẹ́ kó ṣẹlẹ̀ wa lórí, nítorí pé kí ni wọ́n káwọ́rọ̀ wọ́n káwọ́ gbéra. Àwọn olóṣèlú wa góòlù wa owó wa òun làwọn náà gbójúlé, àwọn ọba wa náà góòlù wa dúkìá wa ni wọ́n gbójúlé, kì í ṣe àwa tá jẹ́ ọmọ wọn. So ìdí nìyẹn tẹ̀yin ọmọ Kóòtù Òjíire tá a fi nílò láti dìde láti gbára wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan náà lọ́wọ́ àwọn ènìyàn búburú yìí. So ẹ̀yin náà ẹ wo bí arákùnrin ẹ wo iye àwọn èèyàn tó ń pa.
Christians, this one or this one Yoruba land.
Owó ló sọ yẹn.
Nigerian Christians.
owó tó sọ yẹn ọ̀wọ̀ nìyẹn o owó ọ̀wọ̀ ló dárúkọ yẹn o ọ̀wọ̀ nìyẹn o ọ̀wọ̀ ló dárúkọ yẹn ọ̀wọ̀ nìyẹn o tó pè lówó yẹn o.
Christians. This one na Owo. Or this one na Yoruba land. Let's rise up, Nigerian Christians. Let's rise up and shut Nigeria down. This kind of Christians is getting out of hand. And the Nigerian Christians never rise up to say no to this. They are keeping silent. Our proteges have fed us. They have fed us. Our proteges have fed us. Most of them are responsible for this funny husband of Boko Haram that are slaughtering Christians in Nigeria, for the Islamization of Nigeria. Our proteges have fed us. Let us rise up, join hands together, shut Nigeria down. Peaceful protest, no market, no school, shut everywhere down. The people that die like this, they are not foul. Another time, there was one Pentecostal church. Friendly herdsmen, Boko Haram enter, slaughter people. Even the general overseer cannot stand up to condemn the info. Everybody are keeping silent. Why are we keeping silent? Let us rise up to say no to this killing. Let us rise up to say no to this killing. Heavy protest, shut everywhere down. No. So as for me, I support America to be involved, to come for the help of Nigerian Christians. I'm in support. I'm full support. Yeah, my brother, my sisters, I'm very happy for what President Donald Trump said. I'm very happy for how President Donald Trump condemned the killing of Christians in Nigeria. Because as you can see, since 2009, every year thousands will die. And no solution till today. So you that are condemning that President Donald Trump wants to take action over the crime that is going on in Nigeria, I think if they kill your mother or your father or your brother or your sister, you will know the pains that these people are passing through. These are the some of the mass burial. These are the some of the mass burial they are doing in Nigeria. These are the some of the mass. Our leaders do not want to save us. Even our leaders don't want to do anything to save us. What do you want us to do? Listen, let me tell you people. Since 2009 till today, no solution in Nigeria. And they want us to die in silence. They want us to die in silence. You that are saying that America, why they will come? We're talking nonsense on social media. So you want us to die in silence. Do you know mass burial they are doing in the northern part of Nigeria? Every month, mass burial. And our leaders do not want to do anything. Yes. Boko Haram have conquered some different part of the northern part of Nigeria. There are some villages you will go. But in the northern part of Nigeria, they have conquered. They have conquered Nigeria. They have conquered some villages. You will not see anybody there. They have conquered. So what do you want us to do? Our politicians, they have no strength. That is why they are making peace deal with them. More they make peace, more they kill people. Now America want to come. President Donald Trump want to be involved. And most of you are talking, they are coming this place for this. They never kill your father. If these terrorists have killed your mother or your father, you won't have been saying this way they talk. Or if you say they don't buy you, you're not going to have more to speak. Do you know how many people have been slaughtered? And the world is keeping silent. Now that the world wants to speak, most of you are talking, they should not come. Why? Why they should not come? So you are in support of the crime that is going on in Nigeria. Our politicians have fed us. They have fed us. Our politicians have fed us. They have no strength again to fight bandits. They have no strength again to fight terrorists. Terrorists have conquered many villages in the northern part of Nigeria. They have conquered some places. They have conquered some villages. They have conquered. They have occupied. And our leaders are saying, okay, Luga. I believe that all of you know what is Luga. Luga, all the 36 states we have in Nigeria, we give these terrorists land So that means our leaders are working with them. Why do you say that you will give those terrorists that are killing Christians in Nigeria, you will give them land, all the 36 that we have in Nigeria, they will have their own city in each state. Mass burial. Look at them there. Mass burial. Every year, thousands will die. And President Donald Trump is coming to help.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi, arákùnrin tẹ́ ń wò yìí, wọ́n ti declare wanted o. Ẹ máa gbọ́.
Yeah, I want everybody to know what is happening right now. They are looking for me to arrest me. Yes, I don't get many threats before concerning the video I'm doing, killing of Christians in Nigeria, calling President Donald Trump to come to Nigeria. Most of you thought that this video I'm doing for Trump is now I started it. No, I started this video many years ago for how they are killing Christians in Nigeria. But right now, as I'm talking to you now, they are looking for me to arrest me. They are looking for me. I did not commit any crime. Why they want to arrest me is because of the video I'm doing online exposing how they are killing Christians in Nigeria. That is offense I committed. So they are looking for me right now to arrest me. I was arrested in April 19, 2025, and I was released in the same month, April 29. So they arrested me before. They have arrested me before, but right now they are looking for me to arrest me due to video I'm doing online against the killing of Christians in Nigeria. So I'm doing this video so that everybody will know. Anytime that you people do not see me, know that they have taken me. So that is what I'm doing. Anytime that you people do not hear from me, you people do not see me, or anytime that my people come online to say what happened to me, make una know say they don't carry me. So that is what is happening right now as I'm talking to you. Yeah, I want everybody to know what is happening right now. They are looking for me to arrest me. Yes, I don't get many threats before concerning the video I'm doing, killing of Christians in Nigeria, calling President Donald Trump to come to Nigeria. Most of you thought that this video I'm doing for Trump is now I started it. No, I started this video many years ago for how they are killing Christians in Nigeria. But right now, as I'm talking to you now, they are looking for me to arrest me.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ṣẹ́yìn náà ti rí wípé àwọn aráabí wọ́n fẹ́ pa wá lẹ́nu mọ́. Ẹ má gbàgbé fídíò yìí o. Ẹ má gbàgbé o. Báwo ni àwọn bandits ṣe rí epo nínú igbó?
Government.
Ẹ wo wọn.
Government.
Ṣé ẹ rí wọn? Àwọn tí wọ́n sọ
Government.
tó ní a gbọ́dọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀.
Wetin we do Nana?
Wọ́n máa wá
See
àkọ́ṣe sí
wetin
ọ̀rọ̀
dey
wa
happen.
lẹ̀.
Say this one we go call am say na hijack something be this one abi supply. Because I no even understand. See, please imagine say these people, they even go supply them fuel for inside their bush. Which kind government be this? Which kind country we be like this now? Even full tanker, and they even go supply them. With full confidence. I don't think say this one. No, be say they hijack this one. I don't know hijack this one. They supply them. They just use us. Use them.
Ẹni tó sọ̀rọ̀ sí wọ́n declare wanted. Bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀rẹ̀ Amẹ́ríkà tó ń bọ̀, wọ́n ti ṣiṣẹ́ wọn lẹ̀ lára iṣẹ́ tí Amẹ́ríkà ṣe lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà tí wọ́n fi mọ̀ pé lóòótọ́ lódodo yàtọ̀ sí pé bàbá ìgọ́ tiẹ̀ tún pariwo. Ẹ wo iṣẹ́ tí Amẹ́ríkà ṣe. Ẹ jẹ́ fún yín kẹ́ rí kẹ́ lè mọ̀ pé wọ́n mọ everything. Ṣé pé Donald Trump sọ wọ́n mọ bí everything ṣe lọ. Ó yé wọn. Ẹ jẹ́ fún yín ní fídíò yìí. Fídíò yẹn dá mo ti gbé wọlé lẹ́ẹ̀kan. Okay, ó lélẹ́yìí. where
a group of Fulani came in from all sides. It was a coordinated attack. They came in from the east, the west, the south, and the north, and they targeted this community of Christians here. That night, the report in the U.S. says that it's about 200 that were killed here in Yalawata that night. They are saying here, when I talked to the chief and when I talked to the other elders of this village, they said that it was 250. And they said this because there are so many that are unaccounted for. You can see behind me the burned out home that was set on fire, and so many houses were set on fire. They said that many people were burned to just ashes, and so those people are not accounted for. So the number of people that were killed here the evening of the attack is anywhere from 200 to 250 Christians that were slaughtered in one evening. Yes, please. So you were here the night of the attack?
Yes, sir.
And can you tell us what happened?
My name is Michael Aja. I was around when the attack took place. There was no any security personnel here in this place again. So they began to break doors and set fire. Break doors and set fire on houses. This was the first house they set fire.
This is your brother's house.
Shots. Those shots are 8. This was the first house.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, bí wọ́n ṣe máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣe nílẹ̀ Yorùbá nìyẹn o, nílẹ̀ Oòduà. Bàbá fọwọ́ lẹ́rán pẹ̀lú àwọn olóṣèlú àtàwọn ọba wa tí wọ́n fọwọ́ lẹ́rán. Táwa náà bá wọn fọwọ́ lẹ́rán, ẹni tó máa padà ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ilẹ̀ Kóòtù Òjìrì lẹ̀ ń wòye o. Wọ́n ti ṣe lọ́wọ́ o, ṣe rántí bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹja máa gbọ́rọ̀ yẹn lọ.
So the number of people...
When the attack took place, there was no any security personnel here in this place again. So they began to break doors and set fire. Break doors and set fire on houses. This was the first house they set fire.
This is your brother's house?
Yes. This is my elder brother's shots. Those shots are 8. This was the first house they set fire on. After this one, they came to this one. And my uncle was here with his wife, his son's wife, and his children, all of them. I lost people in this house, 11.
11 people
yeah, 11,
died
that's
in
my
this
family,
house.
Those that are my family members here.
Wow.
11 persons were lost in this place. They were sleeping in this very bar.
They were sleeping in here?
Yeah, they were sleeping here. This is where the mother slept. 8 people were killed there. That is my family.
8 were killed that way.
8 were killed in that place.
And that's your family also?
That is my family.
How many of your family did you lose?
20 members. I lost 20 members of my family in this very attack.
Wow. And this is your elder brother's house?
Yes, this is my elder brother's house.
Was he killed? Your elder brother?
My elder brother, he doesn't stay here.
Okay.
He was not killed. Only my stepmom, with my elder brother's wife, with my sister, they were inside with their children.
And there were also people sleeping in these shops.
We rented them out to people. People, they were sleeping inside. And this person that ran this one, his wife was killed with 3 children.
Right there?
Yes, here.
In there?
In this place. And that side also, some of them, they were trying to come outside, then they were shooting them. Everywhere here, they were human beings. They killed people here like this.
So they would set fire.
Then they set fire.
The people would run out and then they would shoot them from this side.
Yes.
Okay.
And they also, up there, they burned my elder, the same, that my elder brother has this one. They burned his house up there. They also burned my house and my stepmom. And the very person that has this one also is my brother. He has 3 stores in this market. They burned those stores and they burned his house up.
When we don't want to go inside this. See that building?
Yes.
Burning. That's why
we just got done talking to the chief of this village, and he told us his account of what happened that night. And we were walking with some of the elders, and they were showing us some of the burned out homes and storehouses. And that's the other impact, is all of the food storehouses in Yalawata were completely burned out. and all of the food along with that. So now all of the food storages are empty, and they have no food. So it just adds to the level of crisis that's happening here. But it was definitely done by one of the security men that I was talking to said that it was done by at least 500 Fulani, all armed with machine guns, AK-47s, came into this area and attacked that night. They cannot know the number for sure, but they say at least 500. And they just went from house to house and from neighborhood to neighborhood within this village and community, and just killed everyone that they saw and lit houses on fire and burned them to the ground.
Then the attack launched to this place, which started at 10 p.m. in the night, and the attack lasted 2 hours. It was the intersection of those policemen that we have here. We have a Sefa Highway, and we have a station police, which one of them is here with you. Mm-hmm. It is them that, from their interception, some people you came here and you are able to see some fuel prices here. And people, they were being bound to those houses that you are seeing here. More than 200, we are 258. 258. Some they burned and became ashes, and some other families they have burned completely, and there's no anybody to give an account on their names. Wow. It is only those that we manage to a certain point, because as people move from different villages, as the destruction is, they move from different places, and they came and taking their refuge to this place, and they killed some of them. And as we managed to follow the family, and then we are able to get about 258 persons. Wow. That's the way they killed.
How many Fulani came that night into this place? Do you know?
That is where I can't to tell you, but they were up to and in approximation they were up to 500.
And they were all armed.
They were all armed.
All armed. I see.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ẹ ṣe sùúrù o. Ẹ ṣe sùúrù o.
Well, I will tell you clearly, it is true. It is true because we are victims of this crisis. In 2001, specifically when crisis started in, let me use Plateau State, about 50 people were in Kokin Church worshiping God in the Yelwa town of Shendam local government in Plateau State, when the Islamic terrorists attacked them, closed the door, and burnt all of them, about 50 of them. You can go and do that research, it's there. Now, if it wasn't Christian genocide, why were they targeting church alone? After that, crisis busted out again, and they slaughtered a lot of people. My uncle was literally slaughtered in front of his house in the same Yelwa, Shendam. In fact, it took the military to intervene, to quell the issue. And then our houses in Yelwa, in the village, because I'm from Shendam local government, our houses, 3 of our houses were burnt by these Islamic terrorists. So it was not targeted at Muslims. Muslims were not killed. It was later on some of the indigents stood up to try to retaliate, and the military intercepted. Now, apart from that, I remember the crisis also in Jos, and how Christians were being killed. So the issue of Christian genocide is true, because I've been in the know of everything that was going on. In fact, I don't want to talk much, but there was a Muslim guy that we one time led to Christ. His son was an imam. Sorry, the father is an imam. And he told us that the mosque that was built in Jos has 5 gates. And the 5 gates, that means dominion. And we're going to start seeing crisis. In that same year, a lot of crisis busted out, and there were killings of many Christians from different places. So I can tell you clearly, it's Christian genocide. I know there are many terrorist issues in the country. There are issues of banditry that must be separated from the Islamic extremists and terrorists. There are issues of banditry which lead to kidnapping, that on both Christians and Muslims are being kidnapped. So it's different. But when we talk about Christian genocide, it is true because it has been happening. And so that's my stand. Invasion, but I believe it's an interception. It is help that is coming. Because lives are being slaughtered. To me, Nigerian government does not value lives. Human lives are sacred, whether Muslims or Christians. Human lives are sacred to God. So no religious sect should wake up and want to eliminate a particular religious sect because they want to dominate the land and they want to be prominent in government or control the nation. It is an error. It is not acceptable to anybody that thinks well, whether Muslims or Christians. The truth is that it's an error. So we support the coming of the US to intercept because the government is failing. They slaughter people in hundreds and nobody does anything. We have a very strong military in Nigeria. We have good armed forces. But because of the manipulations going on through politics and other things, people that are involved, top government officials that are involved for personal gain, they will not be able to quell it, not because the Nigerian forces cannot handle. This is a minor case, very minor. If they really want to cop this issue, they will cop it. But because nothing is being done, we need an intervention from the United States and other international security forces. That's just why we need them. So we can't continue to have lives being slaughtered at some people's selfish reasons. We can't continue to have that.
And do you think there will not be any kind of backslash?
Well, I believe that will definitely happen because such things cannot happen without backlash. You understand? Some people will try to quell it, they'll try to resist it, and all of that.
So are we ready for it?
We are ready. Because you see, when there's going to be a massive change, we must be ready to bear the consequences. At the end of the day, everything will calm down. But this has to be tackled, and this is the best time. This has been going on for years. A lot of people have been slaughtered. It has to stop. And since we don't want to stop it, we need international, intervention. So I support Donald Trump in intervening in the case of Nigeria.
Your name was Secretary?
Prophet John Andreas. Well, I will tell you clearly, it is true. It is true because we are victims of this crisis. In 2001, specifically when crisis started in, let me use Plateau State.
Ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi, mo kí yín, ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ ti ń gbọ́ látàárọ̀, kí ọba mi Èdùmàrè kó wá bá wa kó sínú àwọn tó ń sọ pé wọ́n fẹ́ lọ bá Tinubu láti sọ fún wípé kó fún wa ní referendum gẹ́gẹ́ bí wọ́n ṣe ṣàlàyé fún wọn pé wọ́n ṣe ìpàdé wọn kí Olódùmarè tó rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Tó bá ṣe ń sọ fún wọn pé Donald Trump ò ní wá, èmi náà mọ̀ pé pẹ̀lú gbogbo nǹkan tó orí lè ní, wàá mọ̀ pé kò sí ọjọ́ ọ̀la fún ọmọ rẹ̀. So ìwọ náà lè mọ̀ bó ṣe máa dìde láti fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀. Tó bá dẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀, múra álẹ̀ de ohun tó ń bọ̀ yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ á múra álẹ̀, jẹ́ á gbáradì. Tó bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀, jẹ́ káwa náà kó fúláàgì síta, káwa náà máa pariwo pa àṣemọ́. Tó bá dẹ̀ lẹ́ni olóṣèlú tó àtáàkì wọn, ẹja lọ àtáàkì wọn mọ́lé, ká dá padà sí wọn lórí, ká balẹ̀ bọ̀nà wọn jẹ́. So ẹ̀yin èèyàn yìí, ẹ gbáradì sílẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká defend ara wa, ká defend ọjọ́ ọ̀la àwọn ọmọ wa. Àwọn olóṣèlú ní Nàìjíríà wúlò fún o. Nàìjíríà ò wúlò fún yín o. Nàìjíríà ò ṣe fún bẹ̀kúnnù o. Àwọn olóṣèlú ló wúlò fún. Àtàwọn ọba, àwọn tó wúlò fún nìyẹn o. Kì í ṣe fáwa yìí o. So kó lè wúlò fún wa báyà nílò láti dìde o. Láti jàjàǹgbara bọ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn ará bí. Ẹ já dìde o ẹ̀yin ọmọ aládé. Kò tí ì pẹ́jù fún wa o. Gbogbo wa là ń gbàdúrà ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tá a ṣẹlẹ̀ tí orílẹ̀-èdè Oòduà fi dúró. Ó ti dé o. Ẹ já fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ o. Gbogbo ọmọ kóòtù òjire, ẹ já fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ o. Ẹ já fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ o. Oòduà nation tá à ń pariwo, ẹ já fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ o. Ẹ já fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ kí ilẹ̀ yìí ó lè jẹ́ tiwa. Ẹ já dìde, tí Amẹ́ríkà bá ti dé gbáǹsẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ káwa náà dìde. Ká gbé fúláàgì wa jáde. Ká sọ pé àwa náà ò ṣe mọ́. Pé ìyà tó fi jẹ wá yìí ti pọ̀ jù. À ṣe mọ́. Ẹ já pariwo, ẹ já rẹ́dì ara wa, ẹ já lọ tó fúláàgì wa lẹ̀. Kì í ṣe pé báyà wa náà dúró, àwa Oòduà nation àdúró o. Tó bá ti ṣẹlẹ̀, àwa náà máa jáde o. Àwọn Biafra náà dúró síbẹ̀, wọ́n á jáde o. Ẹ ti rí gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lénìí. Ẹ ti rí gbogbo fídíò lénìí. Ẹ ti rí kẹ́ bá lè mọ̀ pé tá a bá dìde sọ̀rọ̀ ara wa ọjọ́ ọ̀la àwọn ọmọ wa ọwọ́ Ọlọ́run ló wà o ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà lókè òkun ọwọ́ Ọlọ́run ni o Elédùmarè kó dúró ti gbogbo wa adélẹ̀ lérí wa lágbára Elédùmarè ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín lágbára Elédùmarè ohun rere la máa bára wa ṣe o ilẹ̀ ìlérí wa tí ń ṣe Oòduà nation a máa débẹ̀ o ẹ bá mi share ètò yìí o kó délé kó dókè òkun o kó dé gbogbo ibi tó yẹ kó dé láyé Donald Trump ló ń bọ̀ ẹja fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹ o kó máa bọ̀ láti wá tú ayé wa ṣe o ẹja sọ fún bẹ́ẹ̀ o pé máa bọ̀ wá tú ayé wa ṣe ẹja pariwo Donald Trump máa bọ̀ o máa bọ̀ ojú tí ńlá gbáà ló jẹ́ k'Amẹ́ríkà ṣe máa bọ̀ pé òun fẹ́ wá dá sọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà láti bá wa lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ètò ààbò for good 15 years ni Gumi ló fi ń negotiate tó fi ń negotiate pẹ̀lú wọn tó ń sọ wọ́n that good citizen àwọn ló pọ̀ nínú sójà wa àwọn ló pọ̀ ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìyá mi ọ̀rọ̀ ìbò 2027 kọ́ lọ́rọ̀ tó wà lẹ́yìn kò sí ìbò ní 2027 kò sí ìbò ní 2027 ẹjá dìde ká gbàrà wálẹ̀ ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi a ò ní rí ètò yìí jù báyìí lọ ẹ ṣeun o ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa káàkiri àgbáyé ẹ dákun ẹ share ètò yìí fún gbogbo ọmọ aládé o ẹ share fún gbogbo ọmọ kóòtù òjíire o ìpàdé tán láwọn ará bí ṣe lóru àná mọ́jú èní èso oore ẹ̀ la fẹ́ o bẹ̀tọ́ bá yọ pé ibi náà fẹ́ fi ṣe wọn á bá wájú o ìdájọ́ wọn ti dé o òjò ẹ̀sìn wọn dẹ̀ ti ṣú tó bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ìrọ̀lẹ́ wọn lórí wọn á sáré kàbàkàbà o wọn ò ní lè dúró jẹ tán o ẹ ṣé ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o.
Christianity is facing an existential threat in Nigeria. Thousands and thousands of Christians are being killed. Radical Islamists are responsible for this mass slaughter. I am hereby making Nigeria a country of particular concern. That's a legal definition. When the Christians or any such group is slaughtered, like is happening in Nigeria, 3,100 versus 4,476 worldwide. What horrible numbers. Something has to be done. I am asking Congressman Riley Moore, together with Chairman Tom Cole and the House Appropriations Committee, to immediately look into this matter and to report back to me. And I mean, like, immediately. The United States cannot stand by while such atrocities are happening in Nigeria and numerous other countries. It's not only Nigeria, it's all over. We stand ready, willing, and able to save our great Christian population around the world. This is not going to happen. The killing of Christians is not going to happen. If the Nigerian government continues to allow the killing of Christians, the USA will immediately stop all aid and assistance to Nigeria. We're going to do things to Nigeria that Nigeria is not going to be happy about and may very well go into that now disgraced country, guns a-blazing, to completely wipe out the Islamic terrorists who are committing these horrible, horrible atrocities. I'm hereby instructing our Department of War to prepare for possible action. If we attack, it will be fast, vicious, and sweet, just like the terrorist thugs attack our cherished Christians. These are cherished people. These are great people. Leave them alone. Warning. The Nigerian government better move fast before it's too late. If they don't, there's going to be hell to pay.
So our message to these foreign terrorist organizations is we will treat you like we have treated Al-Qaeda. We will find you, we will map your networks, we will hunt you down, and we will kill you. We know exactly who these people are. We know what networks they work with, what foreign terrorist organizations they're a part of. We know where they're...
Well, I will tell you clearly, it is true. It is true because we are victims of this crisis. In 2001, specifically, when crisis started in, let me use Plateau State, about 50 people were in Kokin Church worshiping God in the Yelwa town of Shendam local government in Plateau State, when the Islamic terrorists attacked them, closed the door, and burnt all of them, about 50 of them. You can go and do that research, it's there. Now, if it wasn't Christian genocide, why were they targeting church alone? After that crisis busted out again, and they slaughtered a lot of people. My uncle was literally slaughtered in front of his house in the same Yelwa, Shendam. In fact, it took the military to intervene to quell the issue. And then our houses in Yelwa, in the village, because I'm from Shendam local government, our houses, 3 of our houses were burnt by these Islamic terrorists. So it was not targeted at Muslims. Muslims were not killed. It was later on some of the indigents stood up to try to retaliate, and the military intercepted. Now, apart from that, I remember the crisis also in Jos, and how Christians were being killed. So the issue of Christian genocide is true, because I've been in the know of everything that was going on. In fact, I don't want to talk much, but there was a Muslim guy that we one time led to Christ. His son was an imam. Sorry, the father is an imam. And he told us that the mosque that was built in Jos has 5 gates. And the 5 gates, that means dominion. And we're going to start seeing crisis. In that same year, a lot of crises busted out, and there were killings of many Christians from different places. So I can tell you clearly, it's Christian genocide. I know there are many terrorist issues in the country. There are issues of banditry that must be separated from the Islamic extremists and terrorists. There are issues of banditry, which leads to kidnapping, that on both Christians and Muslims are being kidnapped. So it's different. But when we talk about Christian genocide, it is true because it has been happening. And so that's my stand. Invasion, but I believe it's an interception. It is help that is coming, because lives are being slaughtered. To me, Nigerian government does not value lives. Human lives are sacred, whether Muslims or Christians. Human lives are sacred to God. So no religious sect should wake up and want to eliminate a particular religious sect because they want to dominate the land and they want to be prominent in government or control the nation. It is an error. It is not acceptable to anybody that thinks well, whether Muslims or Christians. The truth is that it's an error. So we support the coming of the US to intercept, because the government is failing. They slaughter people in hundreds and nobody does anything. We have a very strong military in Nigeria. We have good armed forces. But because of the manipulations going on through politics and other things, people that are involved, top government officials that are involved for personal gain, they've not been able to quell it. Not because the Nigerian forces cannot handle this. Is a minor case, very minor. If they really want to cop this issue, they will cop it. But because nothing is being done, we need an intervention from the United States and other international security forces. That's just why we need them. So we can't continue to have lives being slaughtered at some people's selfish reasons. We can't continue to have that.
And do you think there will not be any kind of backslash?
Well, I believe that will definitely happen, because such things cannot happen without backlash. You understand? Some people will try to quell it, they will try to resist it, and all of that.
So are we ready for it?
We are ready. Because, you see, when there's going to be a massive change, we must be ready to bear the consequences. At the end of the day, everything will calm down. But this has to be tackled, and this is the best time. This thing has been going on for years. A lot of people have been slaughtered. It has to stop. And since we don't want to stop it, we need international, intervention. So I support Donald Trump in intervening in the case of Nigeria.
Your name was sir?
Prophet John Andreas.
The Boko Haram that you have been speaking for is a group against Western education.
So so if they want, let's just wait. There is difference between Western education and modern education. Chinese are producing cars without speaking English. Russians are producing aeroplanes without speaking English. So if they say they don't want English,
your problem,
means English.
I think your problem is America involvement.
This is how you solve the problem. Since you said you don't want, then you ask them, which language do you want? Do you want Arabic? Do you want, because there's medicine in Arabic, there's engineering in Arabic. So you follow these people and pacify them, educate them, then civilize them.
Okay. No, Barrister, before we land, or you should land on stores. But I want to come to you, Barrister. Thank you so very much.
So don't estimate the value of education. If it's China coming to say that, people will believe it, because China is not nosing into our internal affairs. If it's Russians, people will believe them. But America are known to be liars. They said Saddam Hussein has weapons of mass destruction, and there is none. And they have caused confusion in Iraq, in Libya, and everywhere. So when they said Muslims are killing, or there is massacre of, if it's China coming to say that, people will believe it, because China is not nosing into our internal affairs. If it's Russians, people will believe them. But America are known to be liars. They said Saddam Hussein has weapons of mass destruction, and there is none. And they have caused confusion in Iraq, in Libya, and everywhere. So when they said Muslims are killing, or there is massacre of Muslims and like Christians in Nigeria, from which side? They didn't specify whether it is the government or whether it is the Muslims that are doing it, or even if Christians are targeted. Whatever it is, if Americans can cure and eliminate the terrorists, I will welcome it myself. But I know they cannot.
Okay, when you say they cannot,
let me tell you. Okay. They have fought 20 years in Afghanistan. They could not finish them. Afghanistan is in Syria now. This same thing. And this terrorist you see, it's not easy to just come and drop bombs here and there and think you finish them. They have infiltrated the society, so it's going to cause more damage. More Muslims and more Christians will be killed if America would drop a bomb in Nigeria. I'm telling you this. You can take it for a record. So what we are trying to avoid, we are going to even compound it. Look, myself, I have been trying to see how we can pacify these people. I've been going to see how we can pacify these people and redirect them, because they are human beings. They listen and reason. But if you say you want to use force against force, then you will compound the problem and make the thing dirty. If Nigerian army, which has been very active in many hotspots, cannot deal with this issue for 18 years, for 15 years with Boko Haram, and now the bandits, and to me, the bandits are even more vicious, because they are.
You said something about Nigerian army not being able to do something about it for some time now. You have been the person, or rather, news have actually carried it that you more like mediate or serve as an intermediary between them and the government, and that actually has sparked quite reaction among Nigerians. What can you tell us to be, some of the good points or flashpoints of your, interaction or discussion with them, especially when you had to get into the bush? Because the other time we're talking about giving them amnesty and all that.
Yes. You see, just to entice them to leave their weapons. You see, one thing good about it is, you see, you don't treat a disease without diagnosis. If a doctor can diagnose a disease, even if it's cancer, he will know how to manage it. So the good thing about it is, now before we are fighting a phantom, we don't know something is fighting us, coming to take us. We don't know that person. Now, by going to talk with them and sit down with them and to hear their grievances and understand their psychology, so we are able now to contain the problem. Now, Kaduna is relatively safe. I can say you don't hear any more mass killings now in Kaduna, because we understand their psychology, and the governor is cooperating. We are talking to them, and they are keeping their weapons. They are not fighting. They're still on the weapons. They hold the weapons. But you see, this is a small, gradual process in which slowly we will civilize them. We will take away their weapons and let them into good citizens. So this is it. It has to be systemic. But for America to come and start bombing in northern Nigeria, I'm telling you.
You dey find real Yoruba gist, culture, truth, and vibes. Now here a day. Arole Baba 10 Media, no dollar. Subscribe, sharp.